Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I stretch my body and smile.
I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. It helps me wake up. I brush my hair. I choose my clothes. I wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it is cold, I wear a sweater. Then I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. I eat bread and eggs.
I drink a cup of tea.
Sometimes I eat fruit. It makes me feel ready for the day. I check my bag.
To corners, I put on my shoes.
I leave the house.
I walk to the bus stop. I arrive home.
I see people going to work.
The morning is fresh and busy.
What do you do in the morning?
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Now let's talk about my evening routine.
I finish work at 5 o'clock. I go home.
I arrive home.
I put down my bag. I feel happy to be at home.
I go to the kitchen.
I make dinner. I cook rice and vegetables. I set the table. I have dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I go to the living room. I watch TV.
I watch my favorite show.
I feel tired.
I get ready for bed.
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I change into pajamas. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I fall asleep.